Let's discuss some of the questions which were asked in NET paper 1, 27 June 2025 shift 2. So the first question here talks about, to experience the educational values, one must extract its meaning through the reflections. And this is actually giving us a deep engagement, helping us strengthen our memory systems and help us to transfer the learning to new situations. So reflections would be the correct option here. The next is, which of the following factors are considered while you are selecting a communication media? So whenever I am selecting a communication media, let's say I am communicating to you through YouTube. So what I need to know, the platform should be reliable, it should be confidential if required, and should be available at all times. It should not have intermittent disruptions, because that would ultimately create a reason that people move away to another platform, right? So these are the correct and the most important options. The other options are important but not that mandatory as these three are. The next is Vyapti. Now Vyapti is invariable concomitance. We have covered Vyapti in detail, we have covered Hetu in detail. So the complete Indian logic section, I recommend you to go through the lectures. The lectures are completely available on Doorstep Tutor. You go on to paper 1, you go on to the lecture section, the link for that is given below. But yes, Vyapti is very important process of inference, which is Anuman, and this actually stands for invariable concomitance, which is a connection between the Hetu and the Sadhya, which is the middle term and the major term. The next is Rigved, comprises of 1028 hymns, again a very direct question, and these are known as Sukt, which are composed in 10 books of Ved, which are in 10 books of Rig Ved, which are also called as mandalas. So these mandalas are really important, and they are dedicated to various deities like Agni, Indra, Varun, and they actually are the ones which were orally transmitted from the priest to the next following ones, right? So this is how these hymns have been preserved over the years under the various Vedas. So again, an important question. However, we have covered the kind of questions that have been asked in this section. The most important thing that we are trying to bring through introducing these questions is, what are the sections where you need to actually understand, what are the sections which are based on rote learning. Like most of the time from higher education, you see either the acts or the articles or the years of establishment. The same is true for computers as well. So certain sections are there where you have in-depth conceptual approach which is required. For other sections, rote learning is again required. So those are some of the fundamentals which are tested. Again, if you want to practice, there are more than 6,000 questions that we have brought in as in compilation from the past papers for your practice. So don't miss those on the link at Doorstep. Thank you.